front of me is Motorola Moto G9 Play, and today I would like to show you how you can select and add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Then click on this plus at the bottom left corner. Firstly, to add an audio file, scroll down, click on Attach File, and click on Audio at the top of Recent Files. You can also look for your file in one of those apps, or select those three lines at the top left corner to access one of those sources. When you're ready, just hold your file and hit select at the top right corner to attach it. You can add a video one the same way. If your file is too big to attach, you can click on this gallery icon instead with a camera. Look for your video over here and click on it. You can also tap on Gallery, tap on your video over here, and hit Add at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!